Stand here long enough and you'll start to see it differently. Rapids look like chaos, but there's actually structure inside all of this. When water drops and folds back on itself, it creates something called a hydraulic, a circulating current. And right next to all that force, there are eddies, quiet pockets where the river slows down and even moves backwards. Rapids form when the river gets steeper, tighter, and is forced over rock. Now, once you start noticing this, you can actually read the river. The smooth surface, that's usually the main flow. The white water shows where it's breaking over obstacles, and those calmer pockets, that's the river turning back on itself. All this white water is full of air, and when water gets churned up like this, it becomes aerated, filled with tiny bubbles, and that actually makes it harder to float. But this isn't just about what you can see on the surface. In a river like the Chattooga River, none of this is controlled. There are no dams regulating the flow. When it rains upstream, the river responds. It rises, speeds up, and moves differently than it did before. And that's why wild rivers can rise quickly. They're directly connected to the landscape around them. And because of that, the river is constantly doing work. It carries sediment, reshapes the banks, and it spreads out when it needs to. All this movement keeps the water mixed, oxygen-rich, which is important for everything that lives here. When rivers are controlled or dammed, a lot of the natural movement is interrupted. Even when it looks calm, there is still force moving underneath. It only looks like chaos until you start to see how it moves. This isn't just water, it's a system working exactly as it was meant to.